This is a simple and fast review of the Amwentu AI Smart Glasses with a 4K camera. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course, let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, looks nice. We'll take the accessory box out first, and the glasses. Kind of walk you through all the parts that come with it. First, you'll find USB-C to, looks like USB-C charging cable. Looks like some additional lenses as options here. You have kind of a sunglass or a regular as lens options. Toolkit, and looks like a little mini screwdriver, we'll call it, as well as it feels like there's some other pieces in there. Might just be kind of the knots for your carrying case. Obviously, instruction manual, important to kind of visualize what goes on with this thing. I'm sure there's apps, how to power it on, all that stuff. I'm going to demonstrate kind of the video capabilities specifically, but understand that there's audio capabilities and everything. I was mostly interested in just kind of talking specifically about the video capabilities. So you'll see that these are a little bit thicker on the edges. That's where your batteries are going to be and everything like that. Lenses that are in there right now are going to be kind of like more of a rose shade. As mentioned, you've got your sunglasses and your regular clear. You'll see kind of different spots here for camera. Be aware of that. And then, of course, how it settles on the nose is rubberized. Looks pretty good. Thick behind the ears as well. You'll see your USB-C charging port there, and we'll go ahead and just plug that in real quick just to kind of show you what it looks like. You'll hear the audio. You'll see possibly over here the blue light. Cleaning cloth. I think that's everything we've got. Make sure you read your manual, learn how to operate this stuff. I'm gonna kind of get this charged up, set up, and we'll take it from there. All right, so the app is called Hey Cyan. It comes in both Google and Apple apps. And once you log in and set up and sync your glasses, it does have a simple tutorial that tells you kind of everything you need to know. To turn things on, you're just going to see this little kind of button on the bottom left, and you're just going to push that forward. Turn it off right now because it was actually syncing with my audiobook, which is a very cool thing. Anyway, we're going to look at the actual thing at the glasses, and on the right hand side here you'll see hopefully a little button right there. Single click to get it to go to take pictures, double click to record videos, and then you'll also have a another button. You'll have your kind of audio here, up and down, all pretty clear. And we'll remove this so that you don't have that anymore. But be aware of that. Power on this side, as you can see, and your main button here. Again, just following your instruction manuals. There's a left side button up here, and you're gonna, for starting recording, you're gonna just long press it. It gives you a lot of different options, is really what it boils down to. Double clicking for AI image recognition, stuff like that. Double tapping. You have your right side keypad, over here. Double tap to play music. Swipe forward, backwards on the touchpad for the volume, as we saw, kind of going that way. And then triple touch the T-pad for the touchpad for next track, and wake, exit, phone, voice assistant. We're going to long press that. So just some key components there. As mentioned, you can just sync this up, and the cool thing is it's disconnected right now because I've got it turned off. You can take videos, and record audio all from there. You can do all this stuff, voice assistant, AI translation, all from the app. So we're going to just go ahead and wear these around, test out the video in my backyard. So I just started recording, obviously looking at the app here. I'm just going to walk out to my backyard a little bit and kind of just show you the differences in kind of the sound. We'll see a little groundhog off in the distance going under my shed. Look at my terrible lawn right now, trying to grow some grass after putting on this new deck here. Anyway, just wanted to give you a feel for kind of the sights and sounds, and I'm going to walk around a little bit and so you can get a kind of an idea. There's my little puppy, of what it looks like, looking through my perspective as I walk around, move around, so that we can get an idea on the shaking as you walk, and more importantly, stabilization of what it looks like. And then, of course, just getting a feel for kind of the general color schemes and everything like that. But to me, the ability to kind of record video like this is really cool. Button again, I just turned it back on. But to me, like, this is totally awesome. So I'm going to stop recording, but I'm going to add this to the end of the review. To me, the video quality that I've seen before already is great. As noted, it's got voice assistant, AI translation. You can play your music. You can just take pictures, record audio. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. Thanks for watching.